Hello everybody, welcome to a new tutorial on this channel. Today we will learn how to convert a video file into a GIF file or a GIF file, however you want to call it, using Python. So let's get this started. So the reason why this will be fairly easy is because we will be going to use a library called MoviePy. So in order to do that, we will have to actually install it. So using the terminal or the command prompt, we can just run pip install MoviePy. If this is not working for you, you can also use Python 3 or just Python pip install MoviePy. I will be using for now pip install MoviePy. As you can see, for me, it's already satisfied because I already have it installed. So unless you used it in another project, you will basically have here the installation process going on. After we have it installed, we have to basically import a library, which we will be doing like from MoviePy, that editor. We have to import the video file clip, which we will basically need in order to read the video into the script. So now let's declare the clip, which is clip, and then we use the video file clip, and then we will basically have to actually pass the name of the video that we want to use in order to convert it. For me, it's countdown.mp4. As you can see, I have this countdown.mp4 in the same folder. So what this is just animation that is counting from 10 to 0, which I will be using in order to convert it in into a GIF or a GIF, however you want to call it. So having the clip declared, what we will need to do is go and use clip.write GIF and then pass the name of the GIF we want to have. I will call video to GIF.GIF. So as soon as I run the script, the converting process will start. As you can see here, I'm not sure exactly what frame rate this will have. I'm assuming that will be the same frame rate as the video has. What we can see here that we have basically 302 images, because a GIF is basically structured layers, basically images running one after other, and this is how it basically works. So for our case, we will have right now 302 images that will be containing in this GIF. So after this will be done, because as you can see, it takes a little bit. There is another parameter that we can use basically, which is the FPS that I was just mentioning. So we can limit the FPS to a certain amount because probably the default value would be the video frame rate, but it also might be just simple 30 or 60 frame rate, so I'm not sure exactly what is the default value for that. So yeah, the process finished. So let's see the video. Let's see the GIF file. This is the GIF file. If I open it, as you can see, this is a GIF file that is running right now. Seems like this is high quality, so I'm assuming that this is a good frame rate. But if we take a look over the properties here, you can see that this file is huge, right? It has 243 megabytes. So that's a lot. That's a lot. We don't really want to have a GIF that is this big. So because of that, usually if you ever got a chance to actually see a GIF file, those are usually very laggy, and that's because they limit the frame rate. So we can do that the same. So we can pass the second parameter here and use FPS to be like what? Let's say 10, right? So if we run this again, because what I'm doing right now, I limit the frame rates to 10. So if I run this, you will see another process will start, but this time we only have 101. Previously, if I remember right, we had 302 layers. This time we have only 101. The process overall is faster, as you can see here, and we will also see that the image when we see it, the GIF, when we see it, first of all, it is only 81 megabytes. So that's a thing. But then if we run it, as you can see, it's it seems like it's laggy, but in reality it's more laggy than previously. But yeah, we give this frame rate with a cost, right? Because at this point we will have just a file that it is 81 megabytes instead of, if I remember right, it was 300, right? So yeah, that's basically it. Alright, so thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any idea you would like to see on this channel, even if it's a converting thing or just another project that you would like to see how to make it, let me know down in the comments. And if you learned something and if you liked the video, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See ya!